Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Walk into the room like, who's that? It's me. I'ma get to work, get a hard hat. It's easy. I'ma take it to the end zone, leave a hater in the friend zone. If you don't get the vision, then stop talking, start listening. Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star. I'ma be shining like a star, star. 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 You know I'll be shining like a star, star.
Happily ever after is a choice. A happy marriage requires grace, forgiveness, and the constant pursuit of inner peace and contentment. Happy ever after doesn't happen just by accident. It's a choice.
Pinaagi niya sa makanunayang nga pagampo sa pulong sa Dios, matabangan kamo. Aron kamo makalahutay sa mga kasakit o mga kalisdanan o mga suliran nga mahimong moabot diha sa inyong kaminyoon.
Continue to be a blessing. God bless you and your family soon. God bless. Thank you, brother. Pinaka-best memories naman ay kanang manglaag mi. Si Ma'am Shara manggod ninyo kay basid asa mo na siya maabot. Ako kay kanang kung maplanuhan lang karon na ulag po ko pero kanang mga manggod kung asa yang gusto tuan yun niya na. So kay apil naman hiking tong dito sa Samal gani sa patong lalom kayo na kuan dito magpangpang na kayo na beach resort kuan ba kanang challenging tapos kanang pagadto na mo atong sa sa lag na mo sa ilang lugar sa Manay kung asa ko nagpropose saya dito sa ilang beach resort po nila.
Congratulations to our newly wedded couple. Groom, you may now kiss the bride.
Di na siya magsigsapot-sapot o yung lagot ng ko saya magsigsapot. And then, ang padayon lang nawa nga mo ang nasugdan. Kung mag-change man, it's for the better and for the best. Yun lang, I love you ga.
Pinakauna dyan na mong kita ni Ma'am Shara o Ma'am Fortune Shara dito dyan sa school nila sa
Bancas Elementary School.
Dito sa Barangay Kamansi. Nagkatagad mi dito, then ihaming gi-accommodate kung unsa among tuyo. So kami po dama pong ipaabot ug unsa among tuyo. So dito mi nagkaila gid niya og nakagustuhay.
I vow to always stand by your side, to support your dreams as if they were my own, and to celebrate with you in moments of triumph. I promise to listen, to learn, and to grow together, understanding that we are two parts of a beautiful whole.
Look no further, I've finally found something to hold on to. I couldn't believe it, I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over a new scene.
Si Christian kay pinakaganahan ako siya kay kabalo siyang luto. Man akong giampo ugod. Kanang tagaan ko sa Ginoo kanang kabalo mo luto niya. Butan niya. Thoughtful siya, mindful, o kanang caring.
Would have run, but instead instead you were watching, you were listening.
And today, I stand before you, ready to be your partner, your confidant, and your biggest supporter for the rest of our lives. I promise to love you through the highs and the lows, to laugh with you at moments of joy, and to comfort you when life gets hard. I will cherish every memory we create, every adventure we embark on, and every quiet moment we share together.
It started with you.
Ang inyong gugma, ang inyong kamintyoon, magpabilin nga Diyos nun kung inyong kanunay nga i-observe ang pingan kining pagkamakong. Narayon sa gugma, dili hakog nga gugma, ugma ang puon nga kinabuhi uban sa panagigugmaay. Isip ba na kasawa?
It started with you.
I promise to love you not only for who you are today, but for the person you will become. Because we are ever changing and evolving, and my love for you will grow with us. Today, I choose you, and I will continue to choose you every day for the rest of our lives.
I still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do it over and over anew. See and know it started.
I promise to grow with you, to dream with you, and to build a future with you filled with love, happiness, and understanding. I love you, Ga.
Love you too.